Alrighty, everybody, good morning. Here to twist up some reverse tie-dyes. We did our experimental color removing processes on each of these. We're gonna see what we end up with. They've been soaking in our soda ash or sodium carbonate for the last 30 minutes. Time to twist them up and put some color on them. If you're interested in how we got them bleached like this, make sure and check that video out as well.
This is the one that was our bleach and color remover.
Yep. It came out pretty good.
So we rinse them out, let them soak. Just rinse like under the sink, not actual like in the washer or anything.
Just rinsed them out. We didn't wash them.
Right.
But we got all of it out of there, and now we're gonna throw some color on there.
Yep. And this one was your shirt, babe, so you tell me what colors you want.
It doesn't matter. It's not gonna fit me, so you can use whatever colors you want.
Okay, well, I'll do my colors on this one. We'll do your colors on the large.
Sounds good.
How about that? Okay, so what do I want? I think for mine, maybe hot pink and turquoise. Sounds
Hot
like a
pink
fun
and turquoise.
combo.
That's a good combo. To the dyeing rack we go. You can see the remnants of our gnarly color remover in there.
There we go.
There you go. Some turquoise. The great turquoise. And then hot pink. Have we done just those two colors? I know that's, what, 2/3 of our Blinkle that we did.
I'm not sure. I really can't remember. I'm just hoping this color lays over the bleach good.
Yeah. Got a critter over there, man. Hear it trampling through the woods? I think it's a bird. More hot pink.
Hot pink.
And more turquoise. Turquoise. Turquoise is a good deep blue too. Like it seems that as far as how the dye sticks, the dye of turquoise seems to stick real well. So does hot pink.
So we will see how this turns out.
Looks pretty good from here. Well, football Saturday, people.
Okay.
You did both sides?
Yeah.
Alrighty, to the drying rack. Bottom shelf where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty, folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.